Hi everyone, this is Mike from CubeCoders, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create a Minecraft Java Edition server in AMP. If you've not already installed AMP, check out the installation guide for your platform, links in the video description. So the first thing we need to do is create our AMP instance for Minecraft. To do that we hit the Create Instance button and then select Minecraft Java Edition from the drop down list of games. You can enter a friendly name if you like to differentiate different Minecraft servers on the same system. Once we hit create, it will take just a moment for AMP to set up the new instance. Once that's done, we can start the instance and then either click the Manage button or double click the instance's green box. Now if you just want a plain Minecraft server using the official server, then you can just go ahead and click Update, but for this example I'm going to set up Spigot so that I can use plugins if I want at a later time. To do that, I'm just going to type what I'm after into the search box in the top right. The search box is a great way to find your way around AMP. It can search within all available settings and all of the available documentation, so if you're looking for anything, this is the place to start. It's found the setting I'm after, so let's click on that and it will take us directly to where we need to go. After you've picked the type of server you want, it's just a matter of hitting update. Then AMP will download and install it for you. Spigot can take a while, so just give it a few minutes to sort that out. Once that's finished, we're ready to start the server. All we need to do is head over to the status page and click start. Before the server will actually start, you'll need to accept the license agreement for Minecraft. Please take a moment to review this before accepting it. The first time the Minecraft server starts, it will take a few minutes while it generates the world. This only happens the first time, subsequent starts will be much faster. Great, we're ready to go. AMP has already created the appropriate firewall rules for us, so now we can connect to the game server's IP or domain directly. And here we are. Now the next thing we might want to do is op ourselves so we have full permissions in the Minecraft server. That's done the same way as normal using the op command in the console. If you'd like to change any in-game settings, such as whether or not player versus player or PvP combat is enabled, or the amount of memory allowed to the server, you can find that in the configuration tab, or again use the search box in the top right to find and jump to any setting. And with that, we've got our Minecraft server up and running. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Check out the links below to learn more about AMP by CubeCoders, and I'll catch you next time.